Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to block and unblock someone on WhatsApp. Well, today's video. So the first thing we need to do is open up our WhatsApp, and once we open up our WhatsApp, go click on the person you want to block. Like for example, this one. After then click on his profile. Then after clicking on his profile, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on block. Then click on block. There you go. After that, if you want to unblock him, just click on her profile again, then scroll down, then click on unblock. And there you go. So it was also same for the phone. So let's say you're using a phone, it's the same for it. Just click on that person and then click on his profile right there. There you go on the three dots on the top right. And after doing that, then click on block. After clicking on block, why are you blocking this number? Click on you no longer this others and go block. There you go. And to unblock him, just click on the unblock on the bottom right corner. There you go. As you can see, it is now unblocking. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys can view, guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.